Hello and welcome back to English Station, where we tell you real stories in simple English, helping you learn while enjoying. Have you ever watched your favorite cricket match, movie, or TV show on an app called Hotstar? If you're from India, or even Southeast Asia, chances are you've done it on Hotstar. But do you know the story behind this app? How did it go from zero users to millions? How did it survive a brutal streaming war against Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube? And how did it become part of Disney, the world's biggest entertainment company? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating story behind one of India's biggest streaming platforms, how it started, how it grew, and how it became part of a global empire. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a deep, motivational, and educational journey. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. Part 1. The Birth of Hotstar. Hotstar was born in India in February 2015, launched by a company called Star India. Star India was already a big name in television, known for channels like Star Plus and Star Sports. But the world was changing. People were moving away from traditional TV. They wanted to watch shows anytime, anywhere, on their phones, tablets, and laptops. Hotstar was Star India's answer to this change. And the timing? Perfect. Why? Because just 1 month after launch, Hotstar streamed the 2015 Cricket World Cup for free. Millions of Indians downloaded the app, and suddenly, Hotstar became a household name. Within weeks, it had over 10 million downloads. A streaming star was born. Part 2, Rapid Growth and Innovation. After the World Cup success, Hotstar didn't stop. It began adding TV serials, Bollywood movies, and even Hollywood content. Shows from HBO like Game of Thrones? Yes, on Hotstar. But they didn't just copy Netflix. Hotstar knew India. It added content in multiple Indian languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali, and more. They created two sections: free content with ads and Hotstar Premium, a subscription service for international shows and early access. Soon, people of all ages, kids, adults, grandparents, were watching something on Hotstar. Hotstar also improved its technology. It worked even on slow internet. It was made for India, and that made all the difference. Part 3. The Disney Connection. In 2019, something big happened. The Walt Disney Company, one of the world's largest entertainment giants, bought 21st Century Fox. And guess what? Star India was part of that deal. So now Hotstar was owned by Disney. Disney saw great potential. They decided to combine Hotstar's strong base in India with their own popular content like Avengers, Star Wars, and Frozen. In 2020, they rebranded the app to Disney plus Hotstar. Now users in India could enjoy both Indian TV dramas and Disney blockbusters in one place. Part 4, Challenges and Competition. But the journey wasn't always easy. Hotstar had to face tough competition from Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Z5, and even YouTube. People started asking, who has the best content? Who gives more value for money? Which app works better on mobile? To stay ahead, Hotstar focused on cricket, especially the Indian Premier League, IPL. They got exclusive rights and made IPL streaming a big event every year. In 2021, during IPL season, Hotstar had over 25 million people watching live. At the same time, that's one of the highest live streaming records in the world. But competition kept growing. Netflix and Amazon started offering more Indian shows. Hotstar had to keep improving, and it did. Part 5. Where is Hotstar today? As of 2025, Disney Plus Hotstar is still India's #1 streaming app by users. It has over 300 million monthly active users, especially in India and Southeast Asia. But things are changing. In the US, Disney stopped using the Hotstar brand in 2021 and moved most content to Hulu and Disney Plus. So, Hotstar now focuses on India, Indonesia, Malaysia, and a few more countries. They continue to add new movies, regional content, live sports, and they've also started producing Hotstar specials, their own web series. Hotstar isn't just surviving, it's growing and evolving. So what started as a simple app in 2015 became a media revolution. From cricket to cartoons, from Game of Thrones to Ramayana, Hotstar has brought the world of entertainment to millions of screens. It's a perfect example of how technology, timing, and understanding your audience can create something truly powerful. So the next time you open Disney Plus Hotstar, remember, you're not just watching a show, you're part of a digital revolution that changed how India and the world watches TV. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Station for more amazing videos that help you learn English through real stories. See you next time.